Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to generate weekly review summaries for your team with n8n. In this tutorial you'll learn, instead of manually checking multiple sources of customer reviews, this workflow will collect reviews from Google Sheet or any connected CRM, summarizes them into a single report and send it to your team via email every week. With this automation, your team stays updated, spots customer trend, and act on feedback without wasting hours of manual work. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the trigger node, the cron trigger, that will run every Monday on hour 9. His purpose is to start the workflow automatically every week. After that, we have the Google Sheet node, the fetch reviews. His purpose is to read all the review logged in the Google Sheets. Operation will be the read. The spreadsheet will be your Google Sheet, and the range from A to E. The column mapped will be the date, the customer name, the rating, the comment, and the status. After that, you'll have the function node that will generate summary. His purpose is to process reviews to create a structured weekly summary. This is the function that will give us that will create the structured weekly summary. You'll see if rating more or equal to 9 or less and equal to 6. Also, you have the promoter, the detractor, the average score. Okay, after you have this function, you will have the node, the markdown node that will format the report from the function. We will create a clean summary email. For example, you will have the weekly review summary, the total reviews, the average score, the promoters, and the detractors, and sample comments. For example, excellent service, delivery was late, not happy, great support team. And finally, we will have the send report email that will deliver the report to the team. His purpose is to send a formatted report to the internal team. So from email, report your company, to email, team@company.com. Subject, wiki review summary report, and on the body will be JSON Markdown. This will be formatted text from the previous node. I hope you enjoyed also this tutorial, guys. Don't forget also to like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.